Anirudh, tell us, what is this book all about?
So this book is all about youngsters. This book is all about if you are in your midlife career. This book is all about if you have a career. This book is about you. As a student, if as a child you wish to become something in your life, you had a dream that you want to become something. It's not about that person. It's about that person who actually did not have anything to do. He did not have any dream of his own. So it's a book that tells us all that we should have dreams. We should all have dreams, and we should all work for our at an age of 20 to 21, when everyone goes to college. There's a lot of things that is going inside your mind, but you don't know what you want to become. So if you have seen a movie Laksh, in Hrithik Roshan's movie, right? It's again about that concept, that how you should actually not get influenced from your friends, because everyone's life is different. If one person wants to become a chartered accountant, it's not the same for you. You can actually also become a business professional. You can become a sports star. You should follow your dream. You should follow your passion. If you want to be happy, you should make more dreams. You should harness more hobbies into yourself, right? Because that is the actual path for happiness. If you want.
So how did you get the name Contra Entry?
So Contra Entry is again a very funny story. The first title that I had in my mind was when I started thinking to write a book. The first title I gave, it was $1 million story. Why? Because I wanted to earn 1 million out of it. Then I said, yeah, what $1 million, I cannot have that title for the book, right? There was a lot of thoughts that came up to my mind. I also gave it another title, which is CA story, right? But again, finally, the title had to be something which all the chartered accountants, all the commerce students can relate to themselves. At the same time, it had a meaning to it. So what is a contra entry? A contra entry, if you go by accountant's theme, is an entry which balances two different accounts. And at the same time, if you actually think of it from your life standpoint, you also need that kind of a balance in your life. You want a balance where you are also successful as a corporate or whatever profession you are doing, but you also want to balance it with the happiness part of it. Yes. Right? So to find happiness, you need to have your own contra entry, and that's the title of this book.
Where did you get the inspiration to write a book?
So many of you don't know that my mother is also a writer. She is a very passionate writer. She is a painter. So I would say somewhere it is in my blood. I am very close to arts. I like to write poems. I like to write lines. I like to paint. So somewhere I always had it in my mind that I will be writing a book. And this book is not a one-day job or a one-year job. This is a book of 10 years patience, and each day I actually wrote one page and then thought about the next page the other day. That's how I will be moving this story ahead. I want to give credit to everyone. I want to give credit to my family. I want to give credit to my friends. I want to give credit to my colleagues in the company, right? Because this is not my book. This is a story that has come out because of all of them, because of the experiences that I have come through in my life. And finally, after going through all those experiences, whatever I have learned from my friends, from my family, from my mentors, right? So this is a book for all of them. This is a story of all of them, and this is a book that tells you how to think about your life.
So what are the current ways we can get this book?
Okay, so you can definitely get this book through Amazon. There's a link in the post. You can actually click that link and you can get your copy, or you can actually reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to give you an autograph copy.
Thank you so much for giving us the review of the Contra Entry, a book by Anirudh Soni. Thank you.
Thank